The Honor 20 boasts of a 6.26-inch Full HD Plus display with a punch hole design. There's the HiSilicon Kirin 980 SoC under the hood with 6GB of RAM alongside 128GB of inbuilt storage. Unfortunately, there's no way to expand the storage on this smartphone. There's a 3750 mAh battery and a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for secure authentication. The phone runs Honor's Magic UI 2.1 based on Android 9 Pie, which is loaded with features such as GPU Turbo 3.0 for gaming. Of course, the key highlight of the Honor 20 is its quad camera setup at the rear. There's a 48MP primary Sony IMX586 sensor with an f1.8 lens, AI image stabilization and AIS Super Night mode. The primary sensor can be used with the camera app's AI Ultra Clarity mode, which enables 4-in-1 pixel binning for sharper photos. There is also a 16MP secondary sensor with a 117° super wide angle lens that has an aperture of f2.2. The third camera is a 2MP tertiary depth assisting sensor with an f2.4 lens, and finally there's a 2MP macro camera with an aperture of f2.4. For selfies, the Honor 20 sports a 32MP hole punch camera with an f2.0 lens and 3D portrait lighting support.